Let's let's talk about why we didn't see any storms form today before I get in trouble. Okay, so we had a really strong cap in place, and we talked about this all day long, and this is really what kept any storm development from happening. So this is what it was like today. We had this cloud cover break apart, and we saw some sunshine. And in order to get any thunderstorm, you need rising air, and we had that today. We had unstable air near the surface, and that helps it rise quickly. So it was rising, right? But at the top levels of our atmosphere, we had a warm, elevated layer of stable air, and that acted like a lid, and it didn't allow these thunderstorms to take shape. A couple of things can help break the lid, and that's rising temperature, which we had today, or a cold front, which we also had today. But the cap, or the lid, was just way too strong. And that's what happened today. Look at the temperature. It got to 86 degrees. Normal for this time of the year is 77. Close to 10 degrees above what's considered normal for this time of the year. Now, that's not any record heat, but certainly usually by this time of the year, high enough for us to break the cap. But the other thing was that our cold front wasn't all that strong. Currently, it's still working its way along East Texas. Temperatures behind the front only about 10 degrees cooler than ahead of the front. So again, kind of a weaker front. Even then, we're still going to feel the difference. Already feel it out there now with lower humidity. You'll feel it also tomorrow morning. It's going to be a little bit cooler, and I'll get to those numbers, but take a look at that. No thunderstorms really taking shape in North Texas. Any activity stayed well to the south. Still looking at a little bit of cloud cover, but temperatures tonight are going to take a dip. We'll be down to 56 degrees by tomorrow morning in Dallas and in Fort Worth. And by the afternoon, only 71. That is cooler than the normal for this time of the year, and cooler certainly than what we had this afternoon. And it will feel less muggy. So it'll stay mostly dry for the rest of tonight, even most of tomorrow. We may see a scattered shower, but Friday night into Saturday, our rain coverage goes up. Widespread rain than expected Saturday night, and then it starts to taper off by Sunday morning. There will be breaks in the rain, but do expect it to be soggy on Saturday throughout the day. If we see any strong storms, it'll happen very early Saturday, and then it'll start to really come down Saturday night. But otherwise, we are looking dry tonight, or drier, 56 degrees, breezy, cooler. Tomorrow, 71, also breezy and cooler, but we'll see a little bit more in the way of cloud cover. And that 14-day forecast, well, again, it's looking a little soggy for this weekend. Now that rain, again, tapering off throughout the morning on Sunday, so your whole weekend is not a washout. We'll see anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain likely over the weekend. And then next week, finally, a little more sunshine, temperatures in the 70s, but you know, springtime in Texas, we'll see more rain by late next week.